Hi, East Texas. Thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus. It's time to tally up the numbers. Where does 2022 stand when it comes to hot summers? We're going to take the daytime highs, the morning lows. We average those together, and so we get the mean average temperature for the summer. We are measuring between June 1st and August 30th. That's our time frame. So in 2011, that's the standard right now. That's the hottest temperature on record. 90.2 was the mean average temperature that summer. But here in 2022, not far behind, in second place, 1998, 86.5 degrees. In 1901, it was 86 degrees. And in 2018, the average temperature for the summer was about 85.5 degrees. So it's hot and it's been dry. And the latest Drought Monitor came out this week, and it shows parts of East Texas now into exceptional drought. Look at Canton, Athens, Jacksonville, going back to Waco. That's exceptional drought. The areas in red, this is extreme drought. This goes up to the northern counties along the Red River and also includes Wood, Upshur County, and a little sliver here of Gregg County, very small section. Also Van Zant, Anderson County, just a little bit into that extreme drought, and then severe drought surrounds that. So this is getting worse. We desperately need some rain over the next 7 days. We do see chances. We're seeing some tonight. We're seeing some tomorrow. And the rain chances are sort of maybe sporadic is the best way to describe this. You'll notice these light greens and dark greens. That corresponds to about 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch. And then very close to that, you've got the darker greens and the blues, which correspond to about 3/4 of an inch to 1.25 inches. So there are downpours next to areas where there are just a few showers. That'll be the case for the next couple of days. There's also a chance of rain about 6 to 7 days from now, but most of what you're seeing here is what we could pick up either tonight and with scattered showers and a few thunderstorms tomorrow moving through parts of East Texas. There's also a small chance of rain on Sunday. It's about a 20% chance, and again, Monday probably a 20% chance. But for the most part, you're looking at the bulk of this next 7 days providing rainfall here within the next 48 hours. And we're continuing to watch most of the rain stay closer to a frontal boundary that's near Interstate 40. And you can see heavy rainfall all the way down into Jackson, Mississippi, Memphis, Tennessee, over toward Atlanta, Georgia, and in southwest Missouri and part of the Mark Twain National Forest. Very heavy rainfall there at about 4 to 5 inches. So maybe some flash flooding if you were traveling north. Tomorrow, 40% chance of rain here in East Texas. Sunday, 20% chance of rain. Monday, between 10 and 20%. So we'll just leave it off the board right now as just a mention, because really it's not going to amount to anything. And then we have to wait till next Thursday with a 30% chance of rain, and then Friday, maybe an isolated shower or a thunderstorm. So I guess the overall message here is that if we don't see rain tomorrow, we have a very small chance of seeing rain after that. Here's future skycast Saturday afternoon. There are some showers and thunderstorms along a boundary that is stretched out along the Red River. Again, we have the sea breeze showers coming in from the south, the boundary coming in from the north. There's sort of a convergence here. And if that can occur, we'd have a nice little area of heavier rain, and at least this in-house computer model paints that right over Tyler. There's other data that keeps most of these scattered showers to the north and the sea breeze showers to the south, and they never converge, and we wouldn't see anything like that. So that's just one solution, but it does give us an indication that there is at least a chance for some rain on Saturday, and a couple of isolated pop-up showers and thunderstorms on Sunday, and I think Monday. Current burn bans all over East Texas. There's not a county that we can see on our maps unless you go all the way down Livingston or Jasper and Newton County right now, not in those burn bans at this time. Could be added, but right now with some sea breeze showers, they continue to stay out of the burn bans. Upper airflow remains consistent. It's been what it has been. The upper level high pressure system sits right there, continues to block any fronts from penetrating and making it in. It's strong. It's also dry. That helps to intensify the heat over top our area. And that'll happen through the weekend. And then next week, another area of high pressure builds out over the west, begins to spread to the east. And by Monday and Tuesday, temperatures recover back close to 100 degrees once again. And then that high will try to retreat in the latter part of next week to give us another chance for some rain. So the 10-day temp trend. Tomorrow, if it's cloudy and we do see those showers in that convergence line, likely temperatures would be in the mid-90s. But we're back to the upper 90s on Sunday and Monday. Tuesday, also in the upper 90s, and then 100 degrees on Wednesday. And then we're back down to about 99 degrees. I guess the trend here as we get into August is the fact that we're not seeing 105, 106 days on end. We're seeing 100 degrees and then 99, which is still above average, but it's closer to that average high of about 96 degrees. So things are starting to even out a little bit, and August in East Texas starts to, on average, see the temperatures begin to cool. We're at our max high and low for the year right now. By about the third of the way through August, around August 10th, we start to see those numbers slide. By the end of August, the average daytime high is 93 and the average morning low is around 72. So we are headed in the right direction. Tomorrow, UV index will be at a high, so protect against the sun damage. Use sunscreen SPF 30 plus and seek some shade during the middle part of the day. That's when the sun will be strongest, because once we get into the afternoon, the clouds are bubbling up and we're increasing our rain chances after 2 p.m. So a warm, muggy start, 82 at 9 a.m., 88 at 11 a.m., then 94 at 2 o'clock with south winds and about a 40 to 50% chance for rain. High temperatures on Saturday, 94 around Mount Pleasant, Pittsburgh up to 94. We'll see an isolated shower thunderstorm toward Hopkins County and also in parts of around Interstate 20. So Smith County, Cherokee County, Rusk County could have an isolated shower or a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. Highs around 93 at Tyler, 95 at Gilmer, Carthage up to 95, 98 though at Jacksonville, and in Deep East Texas where the rain chances are a little smaller, highs will reach the upper 90s at that time. All right, we're still tracking Saharan dust. We'll have a plume coming here this weekend. A thicker plume is still forecast about a week from today as this plume moves across the Atlantic. It's also suppressing any type of tropical storm development. That thick plume moves through Havana, down through across South Texas, and then by next Thursday night, it is moving up into the Houston area. Should be here in East Texas by Friday. Eye on the tropics. Right now, we're looking at not much going on. Showers, thunderstorms around New Orleans, thunderstorms in southern Arkansas, out in the eastern part of the Caribbean. Very quiet weather there. And then we go out here toward the eastern Atlantic, and there is nothing happening. And so with that Saharan dust there, we don't expect anything to happen maybe now for the next 5 to 7 days. So that's going to take us into August with only 3 named storms this year, none which have become major hurricanes up to this point, and really only one forming over land. And that's the only one that I think has really made any type of landfall anywhere close. Most of them have fizzled out before they've been able to reach or do any kind of problems. All right. Our Baylor Scott & White Texas Spine Joint Hospital 10-day forecast. Scattered thunderstorms tomorrow, 93 for the high. We'll call it a 40% chance of rain. Isolated thunderstorms Sunday, 99. 98 on Monday, so August is going to start hot. And it stays consistently hot Monday or Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and next Monday. So really your next 10 days, pretty consistent. Hot temperatures, highs in the 90s, overnight lows in the upper 70s. Rain chances best tomorrow and then again next Thursday. Have a great weekend, everyone, and thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus.